All right, team. So good morning again. Kevin Alex Bent here. So guys, look, I've taken the time to actually review the lesson from this morning, and I realized that with the original video that we made, the camera itself, the video with persons on the call, it was blocking a section of the screen to my far right. That recording is up as well. So I wanted to actually go and review the lesson and actually make some small adjustments and to actually review it so you guys could understand it and have more illustration, demonstration being done to the video and to the lesson itself. So we did touch base on this morning here as price, as it relates to price driving the market. So what I did was to imagine the candles as price, as people that is moving in the market. You're not trading against candles, you're actually trading against people. I did say to you guys, do know that whenever there is trading taking place, there is some sort of support and resistance that is taking place. So right here, guys, I want you to imagine the bouncy ball, as how I put it before, and price is happening and the candles are moving. If you see the candles here and they go up and they don't all the way go to this line right here that I put here, you want to move it up, put it right underneath here. So price is always moving within the area, and this area is called a zone, okay? And it breaks and goes down here and it goes back up. So that tells me here is a next area, which is known as a next support and resistance area. So your resistance can be your support can be your resistance, all right? So it goes back up here, breaks again, goes back here. So price is taking place right throughout the charts. Also, I want to tell you that the market is contracting, expanding, then it goes into a trend. And these areas here, I highlight where we're doing contractions in the market, where there's a contractions in the market before the market actually goes into a trend. Okay, very important that you guys remember all of this good stuff right here, right throughout. Okay, so we're going to continue along the lines. So we did look at the market here and it went into a bearish trend going down and different zones. So all these areas right here, zones, different zones that is taking place right throughout when price is moving. Okay, so here is in a down trend, bearish, and it continues to go down, right? So here as well, you'll see, put a chart there for you to see SNRs, support and resistance zones. So all these areas, this is a zone right here, this is a next zone here, this is a next zone here. Okay, here is a next zone, up here is a next zone. So you have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, high and higher highs, right? Went through all of this already in the lessons before. So we know about zones now, and we want to go back to the original lesson. So here's price is moving and it breaks here, it moves within the zones and it goes up here. There it is, goes up from here. And all of this is happening, guys. It is price is what is moving the market. Very important for you guys to know this and ensure that you're watching the lessons, guys. Ensure that you're watching the videos that I'm doing as well to ensure that you get it properly, okay? Very important. So price is happening right here and it keep on going up and down. You guys need to know this, okay? Continues goes up, it breaks over into a different SNR, a different zone right here. It contracts right here, retest, expand, go into a trend, okay? And this is a different zone right here. It goes up again, different zones right here, continue up. And as you can see, we're gonna move over different zone. So this is the reason why I put these lines here so you guys understand different zones that is taking place. All right, so that solved that. Okay, so when go back to the lessons of what was happening here, as it relates to the market is going into a bullish trend here and it continues up. We had a review retesting the market and go and continue retest, expand, and then it went into a trend of bullish. And this big candle here is telling me that that is right there is the institutional traders taking place right there. Come in the market and then mop up everything. We did went through this morning with the team, but I'm just highlighting the area. So all this right here, continue up. This is known as bullish trend, okay? And we're going for a buy here. So we'll put our stop loss here and we will do the risk to reward ratio. We did take it across here and you measure from here downwards and you put your stop loss. We could go to 13 to 20 pips in the other direction. If it's gonna be buy, which is right in front of us, that's what we're gonna do. So right here is gonna be your entry, this candle right here. So the entry is here, and that's the first thing you're gonna identify is your entry. So this line right here, I'm gonna change this line color to white. And this is gonna be your entry. So I'm just making some little modification to the lesson to actually make it clear for recording purposes as well, so you guys can get it. Who's not here in the class today, they can watch it and understand. So here is going to be your entry, and here all this is going to be your take profit area. So TP area is going to be here, your reward and your risk. So we need to do proper risk management if you're going to actually make it in trading. Okay, and we did say that these green horizontal lines going across, these are going to be your take profit areas. You can have as many as you want. So you could actually add more take profit areas if you want going up into this candle right here, which is a bullish market right there. So we had more buyers in the market. Okay, we had more buyers in the market here. All right, and basically that's it. This is where you would see your stop loss figure, and these would be your take profit here figures that you would take the trade to actually make that trade. So I hope that was very much clear for you guys. Also, somebody mentioned that they wanna know if the trade goes against me. How does that look? How does that look, Alex? How do you explain that? So I'm saying to you guys, if the trade go against you and it went from here was going down instead, that would be a sell trade, and your stop loss would be here, for example, some up here, and all this area down here would be your take profit if it was in reverse. All right, so we did make mention of all of that right there. But I hope this was very much useful and it more outline and you can see things properly. And over here, the camera was interfering with the lesson and you're able to see the different areas that is available. So I wanted to actually just make some clarifications and actually for you guys to see what was there and so on. So your take profit area, your risk to reward ratio, that is playing out right in front of you. So thank you guys so much. And that's my job as a teacher. My job is to actually ensure that whatever is out there, it is clear as possible so you guys can actually understand it and see it and see what's happening there and how you can actually read the charts yourself. All right, so see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Thank you so much for joining today. And do remember that tomorrow, the 12th of September, will be graduation for our 2 weeks free Forex class. All right, so see you tomorrow, guys. Enjoy the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.